Hello guys, you are welcome today. We are going to be going through objects today. You can see our picture here. We have done so many things, but we still have a lot to do. You know, we still have a lot to do. In our last lecture, we talked about shader, how to use shader. So we talked a lot. So let's change this color to let's see how we can change this color. I've tried to use our shader to get something reasonable for this. So that's it. So let's go to objects. Let's quickly go to object. You go here, you click on this object. If you want to place some, maybe let's say we want to place some trees and cars, we will not want to zoom up and down for it because it will really take our time. So what we do is we click here, this open the 2D view. So open the 2D view, you just click on it. You can see the 2D view of this our plan. You can see it here. This is the 2D view of this our plan. So we want to place trees. So what we do is we go to where we have trees. So this is where we have tree. Let's use this. You click on it and you drag it to this point. Then you drop it. Move this. You can see it. If you have to, you can see it has placed here. So let's see what we did. You can still take it and place it in your 3D, but just for easy movements, because we cannot start rotating this. So we just did that. So if you want to reduce this tree, maybe you don't like the size, this is rotate. You can rotate your tree here, or you can rotate any object here with this. You can rotate it. Maybe if it's a car, you don't like the position, you want to rotate it, you can rotate it. You can also reduce the size, by just clicking on this place and dragging it low, down. You drag it down or you drag it up. You can see it. If you are watching very well, you will see it. It is the same thing, You can also reduce it here by coming here, the height, by coming here to reduce it. You can also rotate it here, so you can rotate here. So let's see how we can rotate here. So this is rotate. Okay, this is fallen. You make it a fallen, you can also make it to stand. So this one is rotate, I think. Okay, this is also fallen. So leave it. This is rotate. You can see it, you have different types. So it just depends on what you want. Both the car, both whatever you have. whatever you want to place there, you can do it. Okay. And if you want to change the color too, you can also change the color here too. If you want it to be transparent, you can also make it to be transparent, but this is not what you want. So this is it. So let's go on and place another. Maybe we just place, let's say we place a car. Let's move it car. This is the only car here. This is the only car we have here. But we can import others too. So with time we will learn that. So let's pick this car and drag it and put here. So this is the car. You have fixed the car. So maybe the car is too close to the place. You bring it down, you drag it down. Drag it a little up again. Or you just bring it here. Let's bring it here. Let's bring it here. Okay. You have brought it here. You allow it. So maybe if you don't like the size of the car, you can increase the size with this. You can increase the size and you can also reduce the size. And if you still want to rotate it, you can still rotate it with this. You can rotate it if you don't like the position. You rotate it to whatever position you feel is okay. You can also change the color. You go back to shader. Maybe if you don't like the color, you click on it. You click on the car and you go here. You can see the color of the car. So let's move it to blue. No, this is not the car. Okay. So let's go back to objects. You click on the car. When you go back to object, you click on the car, you come to shader. Okay, the shader is not really showing. So what we'll do is, when you come to shader, I think the click is no longer there. So let's click through the 3D. Okay, you have clicked on the car. Okay, it's better you use a 3D. You click on the car through the 3D, so you now change it if you want to change the color. You change this color, which is this way. If you want it to reflect at least, reflection. Okay, let it shine a little. Put it on medium. This. Put this. So you just allow it be. So this is it. What else? What else? You can also change the height of the car anyway. If you're in object, you can change it here. Use this to change the height. What else? What else do we have to learn? So let's place the tree. You can place so many trees and place so many cars, as many as you can. So let's place the tree. You click on the tree and you say copy. You right click and you say duplicate. You say duplicate, you duplicate it. You drag, you place it here. You say duplicate again. You drag. You drag again. Fix. So if you want to change this the color too, you can just click on it. You go to shader and you click on it. You make the color more greener. So this is just how to do it. So let's see how it goes. So this is it. You can see how it looks like. You can also place your object through the 3D, just drag and place. But it's easier to do it this way. So let's place this tree round everywhere on my drawing. Before you click on it, and get what you want, you must click on this object. When you click on object, then you see it, then you just right click and you say duplicate. Then you duplicate and you move, you drag, move it, duplicate, you move, drag it, duplicate. So this is it. So you must right click and duplicate before you move. In that your right click, there is also delete, and other things you can see there. So you can practice yours and get other things. The more you do your practice, the more you work with it, the more you get to know more things about it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood all we did here. So bye for now.